What the hell was that? Yeah. Happy Sunday. Happy second week of summer, I guess. And happy Mother's Day. So when I tell you I've had the most bum first week of summer ever, I was on my ass the entire week, genuinely, and I barely did anything. But that is going to change this week because we need to get myself together, get my life together. So today's plan is to eat a little something and then probably take a walk outside, but it's so sunny and I don't even know if I want to do that right now. It is so sunny, it's so hot. But after that, we're going to go Mother's Day gift shopping. I want to get like flowers from Trader Joe's. I don't know if that's a little like far, but that's okay. The flowers from Trader Joe's are very nice, so might be worth a drive. And then we're going to, on our way back, get like a little coffee or a little matcha or something. And like I've seen on like TikTok, people like make like little Mother's Day like drink carrier baskets, and it's like a drink, like some flowers and like some other like stuff like on the drink carrier. I want to do something like that. That's what we're gonna do this morning. So we're gonna eat a little something to hold us over, and then yeah. It might be a little loud because my AC is on. But I did get a new car. She is a little empty right now, so I have a package coming in soon. Super grateful for this AC, especially in the summer, because my old car did not have AC. And I don't know if you could tell by like my past vlogs and stuff. In my old car, genuinely I looked like I was about to die of a heat stroke. That's how it felt like at the time. Those were the vibes at the time. Anyways, we're on our way to Trader Joe's. Let me find out they're actually closed today. Oh, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, I would be pissed. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so I found out that I didn't actually need to go to Trader Joe's for flowers because I found these really cute small bouquets that I could just fit in the cup holder. So no, I didn't have to drive so freaking far for Trader Joe's. But that's okay. More flowers, I guess. Like, I don't know. Anyways, last stop is probably get a matcha or something, or like a little drink. Last stop, and then we'll have to go back and assemble. Good morning, people. It is 6:20. It is a Monday, and we're gonna go play pickleball with my friends. But first of all, I'm gonna go to the gym, play pickleball, and then I'm gonna go get my car windows tinted. I'm gonna do that in between, and then continue the hangout. So, yeah. So freaking early, and this lighting is actually diabolical. Okay, coffee is secured from the gas station, and it's kind of good. Okay, super huge time skip, but shower is done. Picked up my car. She has tinted windows now. Bless up. And then I'm going to continue studying for a bit. Just going through some flashcards. I am currently on 55 out of 277 flashcards for this specific set. So I'm gonna try to get to 100, and then I'm gonna make some dinner and then continue studying. I just made some absolute slop. I made a slop bowl. Okay, so we got, can't really see it, but it's like an arugula base. We got some tuna. We got some, a little bit of peppers that my mom made, and I like put a little bit in there. Some kimchi right here. This white stuff, Greek yogurt, a Persian cucumber, and then everything but the bagel seasoning, of course. This is my slop bowl. I've been practicing my slop bowls a lot recently, and this is one that I have been making. Super easy to make, super cheap as well, because this is something that I'm gonna have to like and eat consistently for college next year, because I'll be cooking my own meals. I am not on the meal plan anymore, which I'm very excited for, but also kind of scared, because I love to cook, but like, you know, sometimes the dining hall is just super convenient and stuff, and so, you know, I don't have to think about like groceries and all that. So this is something that's really easy to make, super good, and yeah, I'm going to eat this, watch some YouTube as per usual. It's really good. That is really good. I did my big one with this. Okay, my package came in. It is 4:45, let's just say 5 p.m. I haven't done a thing of studying, or haven't started. I was gonna go to the library like earlier in the day. Ended up going to Hot Pot instead, and then just wandering around. But finally back now. Let's open my package that I got. But, okay, first thing is this hojicha powder. I thought the bag would be bigger. I can't lie. Was this $16? I do fear, but I think it's like a better quality of hojicha. It's not like the culinary version, whatever that means. I'm gonna try this out today. I got like key covers for my car keys. Got a gray one and a black one. I also got coasters for my car. Very simple. There's like 4 in here. And then last but not least is an iPad case, because my mom wanted one. I'm getting out of here. I'm not done. I need to lock in still. Okay, well then don't let her in.
And she's such a January baby. Dude, but which
We're off to go study. I don't want to. The hojicha. Oh, I got a new cup, by the way. The hojicha, very good. It is quite delightful. I think I might like this more than matcha. Good morning. It is a whopping 4:30 a.m. I woke up at 4. We're going on a hike with my friends today, so that's why we're up this early. We have some toast and jam before going. Here's the bag that I'm bringing. This whole bag, inside is like, I don't know, it's like emergency kit, water bottle, electrolytes, sunscreen, bug spray, a hat. We have a fanny pack, and then I have my sunglasses in here, my keys obviously, and then also a banana for later when we get closer to the hike, the park. I'm going to leave soon. It is so early. Gonna be golden. Whoa.
Maybe you get it at the end.
18 or 20.
Percent? That's beautiful.
I need to shower. Okay, shower is showered, feeling good, feeling so clean. Oh my gosh, when I tell you I have like at least 3 big red bug bites on my legs right now. Anyways, let me tell you about this coffee though. I got a cold brew with vanilla cold foam. 16 ounces. This is a small, by the way. Small is 16 ounce. Guess how much this was? I paid $4.30 for this. $4.30. And it is delicious. And it was delicious. Oh my god. This is like top five experiences right here. Was going into this coffee shop. Like, not only was it like beautiful in there, the workers were so nice and the coffee was bomb. Anyways, I'm not sure if I want to go out and study later. Probably like in the evening, something like that. But if I do study, it's probably gonna be out in the evening again. But yeah, today the rest of the day we're kind of just chilling. We have to do a lot of studying for sure. My test is in 2 days, so yeah. Good morning. Guess who's taking their NHA today? I'm so scared. I'm so freaking scared. And so the reason why I was scared after not being as nervous, I guess, was because last night I was about to go to bed. I was scrolling on TikTok, and then I came across a TikTok that said, well, she was like, the NHA is not what I expected at all. It is not like the practice test at all. Like 30% of what I actually studied was actually on the test. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Now I'm actually so scared. I'm here. There's not a lot of people around. So I don't know if I can like go in now. I don't know. There's like other people like also waiting in their cars. So I'll just go in when they go in. What the hell was that? Oh my god. I have never eaten shit so badly. on anything. What the fuck was that? Like, I was thinking I was gonna go get myself like a nice like coffee or something after my test as like a treat. But I don't even know if I like deserve that anymore because I genuinely ate shit. That was really bad. JK guys, I just passed. Yes!